Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix something went wrong. We are having trouble completing your request on your Facebook. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you're facing the issue on your Facebook, something went wrong, we are having trouble completing your request, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is to just open your Play Store, then search for Facebook. If your Facebook app is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, then go back, open the settings, scroll down, tap on the apps, tap on see all apps. Here you will find Facebook. Tap on the Facebook. Once tap on storage and cache. Once tap on clear cache. Then go back. After that, you have to open your Facebook app. In top right side corner, you will find 3 horizontal lines. Just tap on that 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down. After tapping the 3 horizontal lines, you have to scroll down. Just tap on the settings. Scroll down. Under preferences, you will find one option, browser. Tap on the browser. In this, you can see in top browsing activity. Under that, you will find cookies and cache. Beside that, you will find one clear option. Tap on that, then tap on clear. After that, just go back and close this window and restart your mobile. After restarting, hope your issue will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way, you can fix something went wrong. You are having trouble completing your request on your Facebook. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.